Hello everyone. So I welcome you all in this new lecture series of Vedic mathematics, a simplest way to do the calculation of mathematics. Okay. So this is the second lecture on this. So in first lecture, in first video, we have seen the multiplication, how we were reducing the time of multiplication. Now in same multiplication part only, we'll see one more type of multiplication. So in last lecture we have seen the multiplication of 3 digits as well as 4 digit to 4 digit, 3 digit to 3 digit and 2 digit to 2 digit. Now we'll see some more multiplications. Let's say you have first you have one 4 digit number 9 2 3 1. With this 4 digit number you have to multiply any 2 digit number. Let's suppose 24 is a 2 digit number, we have to multiply it. Okay, so this multiplication can also be done in the same manner. जैसा आपने पिछले प्रॉब्लम में देखा था, पिछले वीडियो में देखा था, सेम स्टेप पे अपन ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ क्या मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा आपको, यू हैव टू इंक्लूड 2 zeros हियर. यहाँ पे 2 जीरो इंक्लूड करके आप ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सेम स्टेप. टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आर 4 versus 2. So 4 digits will consider. So total number of digits are 4 now. So this 4 digits के लिए total number of steps कितने होंगे? Obviously 2n minus 1. आपने देखा था फॉर्मूला करें. 2n minus 1 was the number of digits. So total digits will be 7. So total 7 digits will be there. So total 7 steps will be there. So first step पे क्या करते हैं अपन? We'll multiply this 1 into 4. That is step number 1. So let's see the steps. क्या steps से पहले आपके first step you have to multiply this 1 into 4. So 1 into 4 will be 4 here. 4 into 3. Second step क्या है? One cross multiplication. That is 3 into 4 and plus 1 into 2. So that is 12 plus 2 is 14. Balance is 1. Okay. Next third step, you have to cross multiply and vertical multiplication of these 3 digits. Okay. So then 4 into 2 is 8. 1 into 0 is 0. So leave it. Leave that part. 1 into 0 is 0. So 4 into 2 is 8 and 3 into 2 is 6. So 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 is 15 and balance is 1 now. And fourth step, you have to do 2 cross multiplication. Okay, means what? 9 into 4 36, 1 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4 40 and this 3 into 0 is 0. So 40 plus 1, that is 41. Balance is 4 now. And fifth step क्या रहेगा आपके पास? Again you have to again this trio multiplication. So this 9 into 2 is 18, 3 into 0, 2 into 0 is 0. 9 into 2 is 18, 18 plus balance was 4, so that is 2. So answer will be 22. So 2 is there and balance is 4 I have. Next sixth step क्या होगा आपका? Again you have to do twice multiplication, that is 9 into 0 and 2 into 0. So entire value will become 0. Only you have to add this one. So that is 2 only. Okay. And last step again you have to do this vertical multiplication. And vertical is what? 9 into 0 is 0. So no need to multiply it. So this will be your final answer. So 221544 will be my final answer if I have to multiply this 4 digit number with 2 digit number. Okay. Now this is the one method you can say जो अपन ने last method के बेस पे देखा था. Now we can use one simplified method, more simplified method than this also. That method will be helpful if one number is very large. Let's say this is a 7 digit number and this is a 2 digit number only. So अगर किसी 7 डिजिट के नंबर को दो डिजिट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, so your number of steps will be again 13. So that will be very problematic for us. So if we will solve this type of problem, so we'll see a different approach for solving this type of problems. Let's see that approach first of all. So let's method 2 we can say. So this is a method 2. Method 2 for the same problem. This was a method 1 जो आपने previous lecture में देखा था. Now this is a method 2. तो मेथड 2 के लिए क्या करेंगे अपन, विल राइट डाउन द नंबर्स 9 2 3 1, that number should be multiplied with 24. So this is my given problem. Now we have written this particular problem. Now for solving this particular problem, the simple steps will follow. Again, this problem can also be solved in one step only. So for solving this one, for multiplication of this number, we'll write down this number in side by side. We'll not write down one and below one. We'll write down the number in side by side manner. So first of all, for this particular problem, we'll multiply both exterior numbers, that is 1 and 4. So first of all, in first step, we'll multiply both the exterior numbers, that is 4 and 1. दोनों numbers के ones digit का आपको multiplication करना है first step. So 4 into 1 will be what? Your answer will be 4. Okay. Now in second step, जो आपने पहला एरो ड्रॉप किया था, ये एरो आप ड्रॉप कर लो, एंड दिस 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपको इस 1 से, मतलब पहले डिजिट के 10th नंबर का 10th वाले नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपको इससे 1 से, एंड दिस 4 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 3. ओके, सो दिस 2 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 1 एंड दिस 4 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 3, एंड यू हैव टू ऐड बोथ द थिंग्स. ओके, सो 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2 into 1 is 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So remainder is 1 I have written. Okay. Next is you have to increase your arc. जो अपने arc draw किया है 2 arc, you have to increase your arc by 1 step. अभी क्या था आपने बाहर वाले नंबर को क्या किया था, 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था. Now you have to multiply this 4 by this 2 and this 2 by this 3. सिर्फ एक स्टेप आपको आर को आपको इंक्रीज करना है. ओके, सो दिस 4 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, दिस इज 8, एंड दिस 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 इज 6. सो 8 प्लस 6 दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 14 प्लस 1 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 15. You have again remainder is 1. Okay, next step again you have to increase your arc by one step. Increase your arc by one step and you will come to this 4 into 9, that will be equals to 36, plus 2 into 2, that will be equals to 4. 36 plus 4 is 40, plus 1 is 41, and balance is 4 now. Okay, and last step पे क्या करना है आपको, ये आपका ये वाला arc अभी बाहर जाएगा, so this arc will be here and this arc will be again one more step. So there is no number here. Okay, so if you want to write down, you can write down 0 also. So 4 into 0 will be 0. Only thing जो आपने second वाला arc increase किया है, so that arc you have to multiply 2 into 9 plus your remaining number. So 2 into 9 is 18 plus your number is 4, so that will become 20. So this 22, 15, 44 and 22, 15, 44. This is my required answer. Okay, so I think so both the methods are understand to everyone, because ये मेथड कब यूजफुल होगा, जब आपके पास एक डिजिट काफी ज्यादा दिया रहेगा, एक नंबर काफी ज्यादा बड़ा दिया रहेगा. अगर आपके पास ये नंबर अगर सपोज 6 to 7 डिजिट का दिया रहता और यहाँ पे नंबर सिर्फ 2 डिजिट का 3 डिजिट का दिया रहता, then this will be very difficult. Okay, so same steps you can follow for 3 digit multiplication also, 3 digit with multiple digits. So now we'll see the multiplication of 3 digit number with multiple digits. So let's say we have one 5 digit number and we have to multiply that 5 digit number with the help of with 3 digit number. You can take 6 or 7 digit number also, no problem with that. So we'll take 5 digit number right now. So let's say number is 3 1 4 2 4. So this is my one 5 digit number we have. So we have to multiply this 5 digit number with one 3 digit number. Let's say 2 1 3 is my number. So I have to multiply these two numbers. So for first multiplication, जैसा आपने पिछले मेथड में देखा था, same way we'll multiply it. Okay, so either you can include the zeros also. You can include 2 0 before 2 1 3 and you can write down here and you can multiply. But there are 5 digits here. So as per the formula of number of steps, 2n minus 1, so number of steps will be 9. So 9 steps को solve करना that will be a bit tedious task. So for that this step will follow. Okay, first step क्या रहेगा? In first step we'll multiply both numbers exterior digits, that is 4 into 3 will multiply. So this 4 will be multiplied by 3. So this 4 will be multiplied by 3. Let's say write down somewhat like this. So this 4 will be multiplied by 3 here. In first step this 4 will be multiplied by 3. So answer will be 12 here. So 2 is there and remainder is 1. So let's write down remainder here. Okay. Now in second step you have to increase your arc and you have to move to next number here and you have to include your second number also. So this is the second number, you have included it. So this second number will be multiplied with the first number. Okay. So this 1 into 4 and 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 4 is 10 plus this 1 is 11, that is equals to 1. Okay. Again balance is 1. Next step, in next step again you have to increase your arc, move to next point and this will move to next point and this new number will also come into picture. Okay, so this 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 12 plus 2 is 14 and 4 into 8 is 4 into 2 is 8, that is 8 is 22 plus 1 is 23. So balance is 2 now. Okay, now इसके बाद क्या करना है आपको, हर एक स्टेप पे जैसे जैसे आपके स्टेप्स बढ़ते जाएंगे हर एक स्टेप पे आपको आपके जो नंबर्स है वो आर्क जो आपका है, जो आपका रेंज है वो इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं. वेदर कितने भी नंबर हों दो यहाँ कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सबके लिए सेम स्टेप्स फॉलो करना है. ओके, नाउ विल ऐड वन मोर नंबर. सो दिस विल बी द नंबर. सो दिस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद 4 एंड दिस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद 2. ओके, सो 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 1 is 4, 7 and 2 into 2 is again 4, that is 11 plus 2, that is 13, 3. Balance is again 1. Next step, increase this one, so increase this one and last increase this one also. So 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 10 and 2 into 4 is 8, total is 18 plus 1 is 19 and 1 is here. So this is 99 inches. Okay, again increase it. So this will become, this will out, so there is no number, no need to multiply it, and this will be here and this will be multiplied with 1. Okay, so 3 into this last 3 is multiplied with no number, leave it. So 1 is 3 and 2 into 1 into 3 and 2 into 1, total is 5, remainder was 1, 5 and 1 6. Okay, in last step again this will be increased, this will be out and this will be multiplied with 3 only. So 2 is multiplied with 3 and no remainder is there. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. So this will be the required answer for this particular problem. Okay, so ये सेम स्टेप्स फॉलो करना है आपको. नंबर कितने भी बड़े रहने दो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सेम स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करना है. यहाँ पे आपको 10 डिजिट का नंबर रहेगा, तब पे आपको सेम मार्क इंक्रीज करके एक स्टेप बढ़ते हुए यू विल गेट द आंसर इन वन सिंगल स्टेप. ओके, अभी प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा लंबा लग रहा है आपको, बट इफ विल गो फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग इट, 4-5 प्रॉब्लम प्रैक्टिस करो, डेफिनेटली दिस मेथड विल नॉट टेक 1 minute for solving the problem, not take even 1 minute for solving the problem. Okay, चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.